Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Uphold to XMO in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process might have some updates, so let's make sure you're doing it right and safely. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges for better rates or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your TRX in no time. First things first, before we jump in, you'll need a few essentials. An active Uphold account with TRX in it, an XMO account set up, and the TRX wallet address from XMO. Always double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication to avoid any headaches. Let's get started with step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head to the Uphold website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate the Assets or Wallets section. Step 2. Find your TRX balance. Scroll through your assets until you see TRX, then click on it to open the details. Here, you'll see your available balance and options to send or withdraw. Step 3. Get your XMO TRX wallet address. Switch over to your XMO account. Go to the deposit section, select TRX, and copy the wallet address provided. Make sure it's for the Tron network, as that's what TRX uses. Step 4. Back in Uphold, initiate the transfer. Click on the Send or Withdraw button for your TRX. Paste the XMO wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and double-check everything to avoid errors. Step 5. Review and confirm. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including any fees. Remember, network fees for TRX can vary, so keep an eye on that. Hit confirm, and Uphold will process the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your XMO account to confirm the TRX has arrived. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.